In this short video, we're going to explore a really fun and powerful tool in Illustrator, which allows you to recolor artwork based on a photograph. So what I've got now is just an example of an exquisite illustrator, Diane Ejaita, I think. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but very, very talented illustrator. So what I've done is this is the artwork and it's vectorized. And this is important to remember that this feature will only work on artwork that has been truly vectorized. And let's just take a look at it in the, I call it the X-ray machine, which is actually viewing an Illustrator file in the outline view. And there we see all this beautiful shape mapped out here. So now I'm going to go back to the regular preview. And the way this works is very simple. You hold down your mouse and select everything. I happen to have grouped everything, so that's probably a thing you want to do is group your artwork. And then all you do is go up to Edit, go down to Edit Colors, swing over here holding down your mouse to Recolor Artwork. And I'm going to move this over here so you can see how cool this is. So this panel comes up and it seems a little confusing in some ways, but what it's doing now down here is it's showing you the colors that it's identifying in the artwork that you selected. So now we're just going to go over here and we're going to go Color Theme Picker. We're going to click on that and immediately this little eyedropper appears. So watch what happens when I click it on this photo. It turns everything in that photo into the theme that exists in that photo. Pretty amazing. So now let's reset this. Let's hit this again and let's go over to this beautiful cauliflower, purple cauliflower, so gorgeous. So I'm going to click on that and there you go. So very, very fun and useful tool. Please take advantage of it. And then in conclusion, I just want to point out that while this panel is still up here, I've actively put the eyedropper and it's colorized this artwork. Check this out. You can go over here and you can change the dominance of any of these colors. So if I move this little toggle over here, it's going to apply more of that color. If I click on this area here and shrink it down, it's going to, looks like it didn't do too much. What about if I click on this fuchsia color and I expand it? It's going to add more of that color here, more of this color. So very fun. Enjoy it. And just remember that, number one, your work has to be completely vectorized. You have to select everything. And the journey is, once you've selected the artwork, let's just go to reset. You select everything, and then you go up here to edit, hold down your mouse, edit colors, recolor artwork, and boom, this thing pops up. And you click on Color Theme Picker, and then you can click on Image, and it applies the colors in the photo to your vector artwork.